With ON1 360, I'm able to take my entire photo library with me anywhere that I go. So whether I'm at home on my computer or I'm in the field with just my camera and my mobile device, I can import photos, access albums, and modify edits to images. I enjoy photographing the coast here in Oregon. So if I pack up to catch some surf photos, I can photograph my subject, connect my camera to my tablet, and import the images into ON1 Photo Mobile. Having the ability to view photos directly after I photograph them allows me to look over my focus, my exposure, and my color on any screen that I choose. If I need to adjust my exposure in camera or make any focal changes, I can quickly put my SD card back into my camera, adjust, and reshoot. When I'm done shooting, I can browse my entire library of photos from that day on my mobile device. Using ON1 Mobile and ON1 360, I can immediately start to place my favorites into albums. Those albums will be synced across all of my devices and computers, so I can access any of those images or those edits anytime at any place. I can also use ON1 Mobile to further organize, rate, and edit the shots I was taking. I can apply the same styles I use in Photo Raw to my favorite images from the shoot. Once I'm done applying the finishing touches to my photos, I can quickly share any of them to my friends or social media. Since ON1 360 can sync all of my photographs to all of my devices and computers, I can modify edits or adjust ratings on those same photos right when I get back home to my computer. ON1 360 keeps you connected to your photo library at all times, helping you take your photography further.